swiped at him. I'm not, look at him, he's right here. He's cheating. He was just cheating on me. Choked it. He literally choked it. A little over for me? Get a belly grab or what? There you go. Grab it. Look at that toad. That's a toad.
What a beautiful fish, man.
Oh, he choked it. I was like, he's interested. Bed fishing here on the Chamonix Creek. Nice smallmouth. I knew he had it. Yeah, we gotta get a whale on him. My bag.
I'll go get it.
Wow. Look at that fish. Holy moly. I freaking love bed fishing for smallmouth. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna get a weight on him and get him back in the water. 2.1. Oh my god, yeah. Alright, let's get a release. Just chilling there. There he goes. See if he goes back on his bed. Look at him, he's just chilling. Looks like he's going back on his bed. Alright, so I'm making my way upstream now. Gotta cross these rapids back again. She's all the way up there already. She thought she was gonna beat me, but nah. Yeah, when are you going to catch a fish?
In 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's go get you one. 4 years later. Snake? What is that? Is that a fish?
I don't know, bro.
That's a fish.
Oh,
Why is there a fish on land?
Oh, he's alive.
What the heck? Get him back. Get him back in the water. What? What a freaking catch.
Oh no. What's going on, bro?
That is so weird.
He was just moving.
Dude, there's a bunch of bait up here though, look. There's a bunch of bait up here.
Oh, there's a snake.
Where? Oh, Mr. Snakey. Eating all the bait. What is it? Skunk? Got him? Oh, look at that. Show him the camera. Look how pretty he is.
What a big one.
Look how pretty he is. Come on. Let's show him.
Right there.
That's a pheasant. He's really pretty.
So cute.
There's another one right here, Mark. There's another one right here. Hey, he's gone.
Oh no.
That's a good jump though. Come on, hold on to my rod. I'm recording.
Yeah.
No, that's a bad idea. You're literally gonna die. Just hold on to my rod. Come on, son.
I'm not holding on to the rod.
Why not? You have your phone in your pocket?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Beautiful. Nope. Got him? Oh. Hey. What is it? Oh,
Striper.
told you it was a school.
Oh man, he was barely on there too.
I told you there was a school out there. He ate a first cast. Don't let him go. No. Come on.